Hello, 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 my fellow hobbyists and fellow YouTubians out there in YouTube land. Welcome to the weekly show for the passionate model builder. As you see, I received a little package this week, which we're gonna open soon. But first, the riddle. Who invented the spark plug? A. Thomas Edison, B. Robert Bosch, or C. Walter Siemens? The answer is always the end of the show. Okay, so now let's open our little package here and see what they brought us. Knife, I need a knife. Okay, no knife. Okay, while I'm looking for a knife, you go down to the garage. I'll go for a knife. Yeah, here in the garage we started by dechroming the parts. While those parts are dechromed, other parts needed chrome, like those rear wings. The body needed some attention. Now mounting this huge rear wing. Let's do some magic painting. Some decals on the hood. And some more chrome parts on the gold. The car was a little bit too high for me, so I scratch built some side skirts. But that's for now. Now back to the studio. Okay, so we have our little knife here. Let's see what they brought us. There should be plenty of good stuff in here. Oh yes. Okay, here we have a T-90, a Russian tank. Yeah, I want to do a little bit more military stuff now. And yeah, that's gonna be really cool. Then we have another, oh yeah.
How about a crazy clown hunter?
I don't know, we can do a crazy clown hunter too if you want to. They all they have plenty of guns on it. We can hunt clowns. Okay, we have another one. We have I think it's a German tank. It's called Lux. That's a good one too. And what's here? Oh yeah, that's the warrior. Another one. And here my colors. Yeah, I want to have a little bit something that is a little bit more actual. So it's a 2014 Mustang. That's a cool one too. And oh yeah, then we have a Shelby Cobra. Shelby Cobra, it's gonna be a nice build. Oh yes, and then we did the M48, but this is the bigger one. It's like 135. It's gonna be cool builds. So this from now go to that. Okay, so while I'm still in love with my little kits that I received, you might look for the answer of our riddle. Okay, so that was it for this week. I hope you enjoyed a little bit the time with me and my production team.
Woohoo!
And well, I'm still happy the rest of the weekend by just touching all those little things. I hope you have a nice time building your own builds. Happy modeling so far. See you next weekend, next Saturday. But now, as always, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. Happy building, friends! So, but don't forget to tune in next Saturday this way. And as always, okay.
I'm sorry.